What I wanted to say, a lot of crowd. So basically, yes, we are coming back, and what I wanted to share with you is a little bit of the things that the whole team that was organized the conference, and not only the team, but also the person who will very close to the team, meaning our closest one, have experience in the following months, before months, and that was when you have a dream, you don't need to sleep every night. Basically, what does it mean? That means that in the beginning and in the end, if you have a devotion towards something, if you have a way how you would like to achieve something, and you're very passionate about it, and you're doing not 100%, but 110% of your effort, sometimes your dreams may come true. And basically, I would like to, in the first place, not in the end, but in the beginning, to say thank you to the whole team. Basically, I would like to say thank you to Predrag, who is my right hand. I would like to say thank you to the Maria, who is program coordinator, Vuk, also program coordinator, Milos Mirkovic, who is assistant 2D project manager, aka me, David, who is the marketing manager, Milica, who is a content generation officer, Dragana, Mirjana, and Anya, Anna, Živojin, and so on and so on. So basically, there is like, you can see me as a face of the franchise, but basically there is like right now 19 person in the organization who are working day and night to make this happen. Also, I would like to say personal thank you also, not only to the people who are working with me. I would like also to say one big thank you to my girlfriend, who was very, very, let's say, she has a very strong understanding for me not being that much a good boyfriend for the last 6 months. So thank you so much, Joanna, for being there for me. What I wanted to say basically, and what we are going to talk about on this conference is dominantly we are talking about analytics, data science, and AI. And I was giving a speech yesterday to the national television, and one of my saying was a question: Are we witnessing humanism and Renaissance 2.0? What does it mean? That means that with the use of technology, with the rise of technology, we can do so much more. We can do something that we dreamed about, something that was maybe not possible a few years ago, but still we had that in our thoughts, we had our minds, we had in our hearts. Now we can do much more, much faster, and we can see and iterate and try to elevate whatever we have done before. Being said that, we as a human being, we can say that there is a strong opinion that we are going to one of these two things, and that was like all the time in the world. This was like the biggest question: Are we going together as a human race toward dystopia or utopia? And my personal thinking that who and why we matters in terms of that in the end, it's not about technology. Technology is not neither good or bad. Technology is totally agnostic about what it is. But we are the ones who are using the technology. So, like I said, with the rise of technology now more than ever, what we do with every day passing by, it's very, very important. Because we are the ones who will settle the road for the future generation to use something we call artificial intelligence. That can be very strong and they can be very good. It can lead to the equal society, but it also can be used for many misdeeds, as any technology can be done. We, as somebody who is professional, we need to all the time remember this thing, that we have personal responsibility, not only professional, but as well personal responsibility toward that, how we use it and how we do our job. And that's very important thing to have in mind. Being said that, one of the things I was talking about 2 days ago on Open Day was power of what if ability. What does it mean, what if ability? It's like, of course, it's made up words, but that means that it's something that we can start asking ourselves. So basically, what if we did something instead of something else? This is something that basically is the heart of data science. Data science for me, personally, as somebody who is also professional, is that it is much more about asking questions, raising questions, and in the end giving the answer. So it's very much more close to the modern philosophy. So being said that, we need to be the ones who can be brave enough to ask, what if we can do things differently? What if we can try things differently? What if we can succeed not only on the way how it's done before, but on some new ways that we're going to pave by ourselves. In the end, when I'm saying about that power of what if ability and the whole this small speech is that our vision is change the world to data. And in one set, what does it mean? Basically, that data represent us, represent the physical world, represent something that we as a human race created or let's say was given, such as, I don't know, physical conditions. And all of these data are basically there. So basically, it's now it's the right time for us to try to utilize that data and to really try to make the world how we'd like to see it. So with these final words, I would like to say that Data Science Conference Europe 2022 is officially open. Thank you so much.